Fluxion is the final tool that I will use for a rogue access point and a man-in-the-middle attack. Fluxion is a security auditing and social engineering research tool. So it attempts to retrieve the WPA-WPA2 key from a target access point by means of a social engineering tag. Now, we've all read about them, but there are two types of attacks within this tool. There's the handshake snooper and the captive portal attack. The handshake snooper. This is an attack that attempts to retrieve the four-way handshake. The captive portal attack attempts to retrieve the target access point's WPA-WPA2 key by means of a rogue network with a border authentication captive portal. So, let's start. Go to Kali. Open up the browser. Search for Fluxion. Open the GitHub page of Fluxion, and let's take a quick look at this GitHub page. So requirements are Linux and external Wi-Fi card, okay. What we'll do is we'll clone the repository as our first thing. So we'll copy the HTTPS link and then run git clone with this link. And change the directory of Fluxion and list the files. Execute the bash file to install. And of course, it must be run with sudo. Now, there are missing dependencies, so let's add an I parameter so that we can install them. And the installation process may take some time. All right, so here it's completed. So we'll enter the number of the language that you want to use. Okay, so now we're ready to attack.